Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to remove reference code in Shein. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to remove your reference code in Shein, all you need to do is simply tap open your Shein app. So once you open your Shein app, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the me icon. Once you tap on me, you will end up in this page. So simply scroll through more services to find my reference. Then simply tap on it, and to remove your reference, all you need to do is simply delete the reference that has been already typed in, or simply hit the backspace button to delete the typed reference on the my reference code option. So in this way you can remove your reference code on Shein. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.